So having worked with these organizations for almost a decade at this point, what do you believe are the reasons that they should be considering for really outsourcing their alert review to a solution provider like Behavox?
Yeah, so some of the reasons that our customers typically outsource to someone like Behavox is because we have the right experience. We have our own mature surveillance platform. We have an integrated framework of associated products as well. And the team has proven themselves to be able to deal with the scalability challenge that other firms haven't been able to deal with. So dealing with a backlog of alerts in quite a quick time frame, onboarding people quickly with the right experience onshore with the right regulatory background as well has been quite critical.
So time frame, speed, regulatory background, out of those three, which would you say is probably the most important?
I think the thing that comes up time and time again is the quality of the alert review that we provide. So as part of this process, we provide a series of reports that says what are the total number of alerts that were in the backlog or in the queue, how many of those were reviewed by Behavox alert reviewers, how many of them were escalated, but importantly, how many of them were deemed interesting and worthy of further investigation. And that number of how many of them were worthy of further investigation is quite high from a percentage basis. So all the things that we're sharing with our customers are very valid, very interesting, and resulting in further investigation.
And from the sounds of it, there's justification in there as to why something was flagged versus an arbitrary yes or no.
Exactly. So you don't just get the simple justification, you get detailed notes, detailed guidance, and reasonings for why an alert might have been escalated onwards to the customer. So this is the difference between having high quality reviewers onshore or low quality offshore review that's a simple checkbox exercise, yes, no, clearing down large volumes of false positives. That's not really what Behavox is doing. Behavox is trying to get to the heart of valuable, high quality true positives that we pass on to our customers.